Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome to today's craft time. Today we are going to make our very own donut based on the children's book, If You Give a Dog a Donut, written by Laura Numeroff. Today you will need a paper plate, pipe cleaners, construction paper or real sprinkles, coloring utensils, glue, and a pair of scissors. First, you're going to take your paper plate and you're going to turn it upside down so the bubble side is facing up. You're going to draw a circle in the middle of your paper. I don't draw circles very well, so I'm going to use something to trace it. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut out your center circle. And now you have the center of your donut. Next, you're going to choose the color for your icing. I'm going to do a pink icing donut. And I'm just going to draw the outline of my icing. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's what mine looks like. And then I'm just going to color in my icing right here in the middle. You can use paint. I don't have any paint with me. You can also use crayons like I am, or markers, or even colored pencils if you like. Now you should have your icing for your donut all colored in. Then you're going to take your next color that you want the base of your donut to be, and you're going to color the outside of that. And so far your donut should look something like this. And then you're going to take your pipe cleaners, construction paper, or real sprinkles if you like to use real sprinkles. If you're not using sprinkles, you'll then take your scissors and you'll cut your sprinkles up. And they can be all types of sizes and any color you'd like. That should be good. Then you're going to take your glue and you're going to glue where you want your sprinkles to be on your donut. And that should be your donut. Now, if you'd like to get creative and make it look like you took a bite out of your donut, you'll just take your scissors and anywhere on your donut, you'll make a little zigzaggy hole. And now it looks like somebody took a giant bite out of your donut. We hope you liked today's craft and video and hope to see you guys again soon.